Hello friends, I'm sharing my behind the shoot video where being a new creator my struggle. It is very tough to make a perfect shorts in a single shot. I was not sure what looks good in camera, so I was repeating everything many times and checking it. You can see my struggle while making one single short. Sometimes my glue wasn't working properly and I had to remove it and put it back. Now I understand how much effort one creators has to do for making a video. After many retakes, finally I completed my video and done all the editing with the help of editing apps. Now here is my final result. Thank you for watching.